Apple just made a revolution in the laptop industry with their all new Apple M1 chip, and this chip is pretty capable, and the way this chip is built is pretty unique. So just thought of comparing it with the Intel's latest offering, that's the 11th generation Intel processors, and in this video I'll be comparing the Intel Core i7 11th generation processor. It's the Tiger Lake processor, and to be honest guys, this processor is way better than Intel's old generations because there are a ton of improvements that Intel has done with this processor, especially in terms of graphics. The integrated graphics that came with the older generations is like 2 times weaker than the present generation graphics. The Iris graphics that comes with the Intel Core i7 are twice as powerful as the older generations. So let's see how it compares with the Apple's M1 chip. Hey guys, all about technology 24/7 here. Let's now get started. So talking about the Apple M1 chip, as you have already seen, this chip is pretty unique because all of the components are built inside a single block. Yes, CPU, GPU, also the RAM and neural engine, Apple's new engine, and yes, all the other things which are required are built inside a single block. That makes this chip pretty unique because like no other chip can do this. So talking about the processor counts on the Apple M1, it's a 8 core processor here, and this is a big little configuration, like 4 powerful cores and 4 low efficiency cores. It will switch based on the task what you are doing. Like if you are editing videos, then it will like switch to high performance cores, but whereas if you are doing some light stuff onto your PC, then it will switch to like power efficiency cores. So talking about the Intel Core i7 Tiger Lake processor, it has got 4 cores and 8 threads. Yes, that's what it is, only 4 cores, and straight away you can say that Apple M1 is definitely better because it has got double the cores when we compare it with the i7, and that big little configuration on the Apple M1 which will give you much better performance and much better battery life than the Intel Core i7, that's definite. So the Apple M1 processor is built on 5nm FinFET process, and whereas the Core i7 11th generation processors are built on 10nm FinFET process. So definitely the Apple M1 processor is much more energy efficient. Also it produces less thermals when we compare it with the i7 11th generation processors, and 10nm is also not that bad, but still in generations where processors are out like 5nm, also 7nm, Intel must have gone with lesser FinFET process like at least 7nm, but that's not the case here, 10nm. Still, it must produce less heat itself, but Apple M1 will definitely produce lesser when we compare it with the i7. Talking about the graphics on the Apple M1, Apple has included a 8 core GPU here. Yes, 8 core GPU, and as per them, it's one of the most advanced graphic processor they have ever built. Yes, speaking about the graphics, it's one of the best in terms of integrated graphics, and it says this GPU is 2x faster than other GPUs which are present in the market right now. So when we compare it with the Intel's latest Iris graphics, I must say that Intel has taken a leap forward when we talk about integrated graphics. With the 11th generation processors, Intel has introduced Intel Iris Xe graphics here, which are like so much better, and as per Intel it's like 2 times better than their previous generation's integrated graphics. So this thing is clocked at 1.35 gigahertz here. As we have seen the real world usage of this processor and this graphics, it's pretty damn awesome I should say, because the gameplay, GTA 5 etc is just amazing. Yes, you cannot play it like extreme high settings, but still when we compare it with the previous generation Intel graphics, these are just amazing. So talking about the benchmarks of these processors, we have already seen a lot of benchmarks on the Tiger Lake chip, but recently, like a couple of hours ago, Apple MacBook Air with the latest M1 processor benchmarks are out for that, and it blows away like all of the older generation Intel laptops like Intel MacBooks, also Intel Mac Air and all others. So let me show you the Geekbench results of the Tiger Lake chip. What you're seeing on the screen, the first on the list is a Dell laptop. So this laptop has got Intel Core i7 in it, the Tiger Lake chip, and as you can see, it has been uploaded quite recently, November 13, 2020, that's today. And the single core score, it says 1545, and the multi-core score, it says 5569. This is the highest what we have got till now. So comparing it with the Apple M1 chip, it straight away blows it out. As you can see, the Apple M1, the single core score is 1687 and multi-core score is 7433. That's so much improvement in terms of performance when we compare it with the i7 chip. Definitely, for sure, Apple M1 chip is much more powerful when we compare it with like i7, i5 and all other 11th generation Intel CPUs. So these are the two most important parts of processors. Talking about other stuff like security and reliability, we get top of the line security and reliability with both of these processors. Like with the Intel processors, we get Intel AES instructions, software guard extensions, OS guard, boot guard and all other control enforcement technology, etc. And same follows with Apple too. So there are highly advanced features here with the M1 chip, like the Big Sur, which offers most advanced security for any personal computer, it says, and hardware verified secure boot, automatic high performance encryption, all other security stuff is present with the M1 chip too. So there aren't any compromises in terms of security and reliability on both of these chipsets. So talking about the onboard cache, Intel has got 12 MB of onboard smart cache, it says here, whereas Apple doesn't really say about the cache. It says that it has got 4 MB of L2 cache. Yes, just 4 MB of L2 cache here. Definitely onboard cache is better on the Intel when we compare it with Apple. So my end conclusion would be that both of these chipsets are pretty capable, but the Apple M1 processor is definitely better than the Intel 11th generation i7 processor. Technically speaking, the M1 is better because it has got 8 core CPU, 8 core GPU and also all other engines like neural engines, etc., which is way better in terms of artificial intelligence too. So this was a quick little comparison of the Apple M1 with that of Intel i7 11th generation Tiger Lake processor. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also do follow me on Instagram, link is in the description or it's appearing somewhere on the display. This is all about technology 24/7. Signing off for the moment. You guys have a great day. Peace.